Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin has been on fire, and today we hit a critical milestone. Yesterday, we discussed the setup for a golden cross on the 1-hour chart. It officially occurred just 2 hours ago with the 50 EMA crossing above the 200 EMA. This is a key bullish signal, and when paired with money flow flipping green on the hourly chart, it paints a strong picture for further upside potential. From yesterday's lows of $94,000, Bitcoin rallied to a new high of $97,500 today. But I believe this is just the beginning. Historical data on golden crosses for Bitcoin supports this. Each time this pattern has appeared recently, it has led to significant price movements. On November 28th, we saw a 4% gain within a single day. Then on December 4th, Bitcoin surged by 8% in one day. On December 11th, it posted a 10% gain over 6 days. This isn't random, it's a consistent and bullish signal. If enough of you are interested, I could go deeper into the history of golden crosses for Bitcoin. I'm considering creating a custom Pine script to track these events and their outcomes. If this is something you want to see, leave a comment and let me know. With enough interest, I'll make it available for everyone. On the technical side, the wave trend indicator is showing a red dot, signaling a potential pullback. I expect this dip to take us down to the 21 EMA, which is marked in bluish gray on the chart. However, this should only be temporary before we see more upside. There's still significant short liquidation leverage sitting above $97,800, and I expect this liquidity to be taken out soon. In broader market news, BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF now holds more than 2% of all Bitcoin that will ever exist. This is a staggering figure and a massive vote of confidence for Bitcoin's long-term value. Additionally, $793 million worth of Bitcoin was transferred from MicroStrategy-linked Coinbase Prime custody addresses to unknown wallets. This information, sourced from Arkham Intelligence, could indicate that Saylor is bringing coins into cold-stored self-custody. Bitcoin's momentum is undeniable, and this could just be the start of an explosive rally. Make sure you're strapped in. Join our free Discord for detailed trading discussions and insights. If you found value in this analysis, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.